Hey LV family, what is up guys? What it is, what it be, what it do, dough. I'm here with a little slime video. I'm going to show you how to make some slime. I've already put a little glue in the bowl, so a little Elmer's glue. It doesn't have to be too fancy of a glue, just some Elmer's glue. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some water and we're going to add it into the glue. And you're going to take a plastic spoon or whatever kind of spoon you have and stir it up. And be sure not to make it like too bubbly. Not too many air bubbles. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because I've made it a little watery. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of glitter of my choice. I picked this really pretty pink pixie glitter, so we're gonna dump a little in. That's enough. And we're gonna go ahead and stir it up. Make sure it's all stirred up. Okay, and now in a glass I have some activator in a glass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab some from it and dump it in, because I don't want to put too much. And as you stir it, you can see that it begins to thicken, just like that. So what I'm going to do is just keep on stirring, and the more you stir, the thicker it gets. It's moving a lot, and you see it's on the spoon. See, it has turned into slime, slime, slime. Of course, it might be a little sticky, but that is slime, and it's a little bit sticky, so we are going to need to add a little more of the curl activator. But as you can see, it's pretty okay, but it's just a little sticky, but you have to like work it in. So what we're gonna do now, oh, there it goes, it's actually drying up. There it is. It was just a little wet, so it was making it really sticky. But here is the slime. We're going to put that back in there, and we're going to add just a little more. See, as you can see, the whole entire thing is starting to form into slime. Now we're going to take that off the back of the spoon, add it in. Yeah, it's so, oh my gosh, it's so sticky. But after you work it in your hand for however long, it kind of just dries out and it stays slime. So, but we're gonna need a lot more activator, yeah. As long as you keep it in your hand and just work it out, it kind of just like makes itself. Yeah, and it stops sticking. Sorry guys, this camera, I'm holding it. I don't have like something to put it on. Tried a lot of things, but there is the really pretty pixie glitter slime. I've gotten a couple of requests for these slime videos. I don't know why, even though I'm a vlog channel, but I mean, I guess we can always do many different things. So here is the slime. You can see the pixie glitter, but there's more in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a spoon, we're gonna get more activator, and we're gonna activate the rest of this glue. And see, as you don't need very much to activate it, so lot at a time, just so that I don't overdo it with that. So this is gonna be like a little quick video. It's not too much. Now we're gonna pick it up. Yeah, it's so slimy. It's a little 5-minute video, but all you have to do is work it in and it will turn into slime. Well, it's already slime, but I have a different one that I had made already, and it's clearing up. I'm probably gonna stick it in the video and show you. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. This one's really hard to work in only because I'm using one hand, so I'm holding the camera with the other hand. It's really hard to do this. I don't know whether to call this a fail, because it's not failed, I just have to work it. Some people don't have to, and some people do. Well, I'm that person, and I do have to. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's starting to get together. Work itself out. Sounds a little gross. It's drying up really well. It's hanging from my finger like snot. And as you can see, it has gotten round and it's good now. And here is the slime with the pretty pixie glitter. Looks really good. Gotta get that off my hand. Okay, so for the other slime that I made, I'm gonna bump. Oh, my hand's in the way of the camera. I'm gonna bump that one out of the way, and I'm gonna pull this one out. I'm gonna just show you guys. I put green in it, green and black, so it's green and black. Right now it's actually clearing up. I don't know, something got in it right here, but I'll get that out later. But it's starting to clear up. It's not sticky at all. This slime will be fine in there. So here, as you can see, the slime. It's a little bit sticky, but it's not really sticky. You just have to get it used to your hands, and that's only just the top layer. So I'm gonna stop messing with this one so it can clear up. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time in my next video. Peace.